Hello, myself is Aditya Gopichand Chauhan and I am studying at Shri Shivaji Vidyalaya, Buldhana. And my guidance teacher is Manisha Meher ma'am. And this project is based on rainwater harvesting. The reason behind this project is saving the rainwater with this technique. If you are seeing this chart has whole information about this project. Rainwater harvesting. First, in this project, there is no electricity usage. Means, there is no use of electricity in this whole project. Second, when raining is started from cloud, after that the water was collecting in the box which is on the terrace of the house. Third, after that the water goes through the pipe to the water tank. Fourth, a few moments later the water in the tank goes through the pipe to the dig hole in land. The whole water was filled in this dig hole. Fifth, and after some time, the water was exerted in the well. There is a cloud, and when the raining started from the cloud, the rainwater was collected in the water collector. After some time, the water goes through this pipe into the water tank. After a few moments later, the water goes through this pipe into the dig hole in land, and this whole water was filled the dig hole. After that, the process between dig hole in land and exerted the water in the well, it takes a long period of time in the real life. Here, it is very quick. When the dig hole is filled over, after that, the water exerted in the well, and the well was full of water.